Give us your best tips for starting out in UX design.
Be patient, keep your eyes and ears open, and meet as many people as you can.
Don't be afraid. Remember to pause and relax at the same time. Don't stress yourself out.
My best tip is start applying a UX mindset to whatever you're doing, whether that's you're at the grocery store, or you're working your job, or you're cooking. Think about what you would change to make the process more smooth.
I think find a good program. Don't be afraid to reach out and get a mentor, and lots of mentors. Ask for their help, for their feedback. Most of us want to help others, and so don't be shy about that.
Talk to as many people as you can and talk to people in the industry. Learn about their day-to-day, and maybe you can start, playing around with a program like Figma or something to really learn.
Start doing your research on what it is and who can help you get there, i.e., I chose a boot camp because I didn't come from a traditional CS or HCI background. So yeah, learn what you need to get yourself there.
Work really hard, learn as many things as you possibly can about design, research, and anything related to product. Don't forget that you started it because you were very passionate, so keep that in mind as you move forward.